How do I know what Allah really wants from me? How do I know that I'm upon that which is going to enter me into Jannah and eventually earn me that mercy? If you look at Surah Al-Fatiha, there's a prayer for guidance. And I felt like, it would be fitting to end this series with a prayer for guidance. First and foremost, understand that there's no way that you're going to ask Allah sincerely for guidance 17 times a day and He leads you astray. So if you are sincere and you're asking for guidance, Allah will guide you. And that's what I tell everyone that's searching, that's looking for truth. Ask Allah for guidance. Ask Allah for hidayah. And that's what made Umar radiallahu anhu's dua, which I'll end with this series, so special. It's a dua that has different variations. It's been narrated by different companions. This one is particularly from Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, where he asked Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he said, Allahumma arini al-haqqa haqqa wa waffiqni li-ittiba'ihi wa arina al-batila batila wa waffiqni li-ijtinabihi. Again, Allahumma arini al-haqqa haqqa wa waffiqni li-ittiba'ihi wa arini al-batila batila wa waffiqni li-ijtinabihi, which means, oh Allah, show me the truth as truth and guide me to follow it, and show me the false as false and guide me to avoid it. Sometimes you might be doing something that feels right, but it's not actually guidance and righteousness. Sometimes you might be engaging in something and you're not so sure about it. Sometimes you hear different people telling you different things about how to get close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and you're unsure. The most important dua to keep in mind always is the dua for guidance. Ihdina as-sirata al-mustaqim. Guide us. Guide us to understand your message properly. Guide us to practice the sunnah of your Prophet ﷺ properly. Guide us to see our faults. Guide us to see our shortcomings. Guide us so that we do not take a path unknowingly that leads us away from you.